Today I want to talk about the remitter code. Simply RRR. These days, whatever you want to do in Nigeria, any payment you want to make, they will tell you to go and generate remitter or go and generate RR code. RR code simply means remitter retrieval reference number. It's a 12-digit number like this. How do you generate it? You don't just generate it, you must have a reason for it. Do you want to pay for something? Do you want to buy something online? Whatever I want to buy or whatever I want to pay for, you have to generate the remitter number. The remitter number is unique to you or to the transaction you are carrying out at that moment. So whatever I want to do on the remitter platform, once you click on it, it will generate a remitter number RRR that is tied to that transaction. So you can take it to any bank. All the banks in Nigeria accept that code. You just take it there. You don't need to explain so much. Some banks, once you give them the paper, they know what to do. Some other banks will require you to complete a teller. You complete your teller and then you write the RR code, which is a reference. Once they enter it on their computer, they will see what you want to pay for. Maybe you are paying a school fees, or you are paying for a product, or you want to buy something online, whatever it is. I noticed that most people prefer going to the bank. The truth is that I think that's a little bit stressful. If you have your card, you can make payments online. You can use online banking. You can use mobile banking to do your transfer. So what you do is just log into your online banking, and it will ask you for the remitter number, and then you enter it. It's not really difficult to generate RR number and to make your payment, but people still prefer to go to the bank to make payment. It's okay. It's okay. But they have other methods like the card here, and then the bank as going to bank to make your payment. There's SSD, which is your phone. Use your short code or use mobile banking. While this one is internet banking, you log into your internet banking platform and make your payment, or use wallet, or this pocket money, Paga, OPay, and all these stuffs right here. I think that's it.